Hey everyone, today I'll show you how to hide blue ticks in WhatsApp specifically for Android users. Blue ticks indicate that a message has been read, but sometimes you might want to keep your read status private. Let's dive into the steps to achieve this. Start by opening WhatsApp on your Android device. Make sure you're on the main screen where all your chats are displayed. Tap on the three dots in the top right corner of the app to open the menu. Then select Settings from the drop-down options. In the Settings menu, tap on Privacy to proceed. Once you're in the Privacy settings, scroll until you find the Read Receipts option. This feature is enabled by default, allowing senders to see blue ticks when their messages are read. To hide the blue ticks, simply disable the Read Receipts by tapping on the switch next to it. With this option turned off, senders will no longer be notified with blue ticks when you read their messages. Disabling read receipts will apply to all personal chats. However, in group chats, blue ticks will still appear. Once you turn off read receipts, you won't be able to see blue ticks for messages you send either. There's no need to restart WhatsApp or your device. The changes take effect immediately. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe. See you next time.